Hey guys, you out there. We are putting gas. We're gonna go back and get Greg's dad's car and fill his car up too. So we'll see what happens. It's gonna happen today, later on this afternoon. Just don't know what time. I just know it's like in the evening. I guess I'll see you whenever we get the sugar. Honey, honey. You are my sugar. Where are we going? To buy water. The news said that we are not gonna have any power for 3 to 4 days.
So we need gas in all the cars, just in case we have to siphon it.
And I guess we're gonna have to get sandwiches.
Well, we'll see right now when we get to the store.
Yay, water! Alright, I guess that's enough, right? Dang! There's Alright, just water and some tuna from Kroger's.
Yeah.
Alright. Second stop. Empty. We are at Walmart number 2. Because the other Walmart did not have any Diet Coke. Alright, so there is no Diet Coke. Empty.
$2 cheaper.
Hey. So we just got water, dog food, and some little snacks.
Yeah. Just a little.
What a burger!
What a burger. Can you make it onion rings instead of hash brown?
Yeah, welcome. We'll see you at the house. Bye. Day 2 and Audrey's kicking and kicking away. We took a 5-hour nap and now we are gonna go get ice. It's so crazy.
Some of the gas stations are even empty on the inside.
What he said. And oh, and on the side of 45, the freeway, it's already started to get flooded, right, babe?
Yeah.
Oh.
It hasn't even been raining for that long.
Nope, it has not.
Probably, I would say like an hour and a half.
It's been just drizzling this whole entire time, and it's already getting flooded, which is crazy. Well, I got coffee, ice, and we're on the way to go get donuts right now. Hopefully the baby's at home with grandma and grandpa and all his tios and Thea, just Bonnie. See you in a few to give you an update of what's going on, but this is how it looks so far. See how it looks so ugly. See you in a few. Alright guys, this is how it's looking so far.
We got some donuts.
We'll see you at the house.
Questions.
What are we doing?
What do you do with that last piece?
We're home, bored, don't know what to
Are you
do.
gonna eat it? I dare you.
There's nothing to do. We should have got games. I like those word puzzles. Not word puzzles, those, yeah.
Are you gonna eat it though?
There's the baby. Bonnie facing his shirt. And Thea. Andre. What are you doing? Andre. Andre, what are you doing? Okay. You're just hanging. Chilling. Guys, I'm trying to upload this video. And I think it got stuck. I'm not.
No, do it.
No, I'm not.
It's real. Just be real with your audience.
Alright. So an update for Hurricane Harvey. I don't know if you can see, but it has made landfall between Port O'Connor and Port Aransas, wherever that is at. Just click on it.
It's the dirty side where everything's kind of piling up, but some of those stronger winds are...
Nothing happened today because it still hasn't came all the way through.
It's the beginning of Houston.
Tomorrow we're gonna see what happens. Man.
We'll see you tomorrow. Bye.